Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel voidlooprobotech and Automation. Today we are diving into an exciting project, how to use task parameters to run multiple tasks on an Arduino using FreeRTOS. Let us get started step by step. Here is what we are working with. A Nucleo board based on STM32 F411RE, 3 LEDs, red, green and blue, 3 to 20 ohm resistors. Let us connect the pins. The anode pin of red LED connect to PA5. The green LED goes to PA6 and the blue LED connect to PA7. Alright, that is our hardware setup. Now let us move to the software part. We will create here new project. Go to File and New and STM32 project. Let us select here board Nucleo F411. Select and click on next. Type here project name 04 task parameter. Click on finish. Yes, it is loading the IOC file. Okay, now let us assign the LED pin to the GPIO PA5, PA6 and PA7. This is PA5 pin. It is already assigned to internal board LED. Just rename its name RLED. This is PA6 pin assigned as GPIO output and PA7 pin assigned as GPIO output. Rename its label GLED and BLED. This is PC13 pin. It is already assigned for internal board button. Just reset its state. We no longer need it. Now go to the middleware and software. Click on FreeRTOS. Select SIMSYS V2. Now go to the clock configuration and set H clock 16 MHz. One last thing, go to the project manager and check this generate peripheral initialization as a pair of .c and .h files. Alright, it is almost done. It is time to save and generate the code. Yes. Now code is generated. This is the main.c file. I will go to the earlier project, open the main.c file. Select and copy these lines. Close. Go to our current project's main.c file and select these lines and remove. Just paste here those lines. Okay. Now remove the UART handle because we are not going to use, and this one. Remove the IO put care function definition. Okay. Now remove these two task function. We are going to keep one task function. Only its name will be VLED task. Okay. Now remove this task profiler variable and call here LED toggle function. All GPIO toggle pin. All LED is connected on port A. So first argument will be GPIO A and PV parameters. Typecast in uint16. Now use for loop to create the delay here. Alright, task function is ready. Now let us move forward to create the task. There are 3 tasks to control red LED, green LED and blue LED. All these tasks will call the same function VLED task. The difference is its parameters only. We are going to pass here pointer of LED pins as a task parameter. Okay. Remove this function prototype and copy this and paste here. Remove this task profiler variable and semicolon. Okay. Declare here the pointer variable for LED pins. Const uint16 underscore t asterisk red LED equal to uint16 asterisk red LED pin macro. You can see in header file our LED pin is defined to GPIO pin 5. Okay. GLED pin defined to GPIO 6 and BLED pin is defined GPIO pin 7. Copy and paste twice and change the variable name correspond to LED pin. Okay. Alright, now copy the red LED variable and paste here as an argument and typecast it as a white pointer. Do the same thing for rest of the task, green LED and blue LED task. Now code is ready. Save and run the code. Okay, there are 5 errors detected. Let us fix it. Found the silly mistake. It is UN16_T will be there. Alright, I hope there will be no errors. Let us build again. No error. It is good for us. Now hit the run. Click on debugger. Check the ST link, scan, apply, then OK. Wow, you can see there all the 3 LEDs are blinking because the tasks are running simultaneously with FreeRTOS. I hope you enjoyed this project, how to use an argument in task with FreeRTOS. If you found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one.